This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Sited in the desirable maintenance-free 55-plus gated community of Traditions is this lovely 3-bedroom and 2-bath home with side entry 2-car garage. Upon entering the home, you will be greeted with a covered front entrance enhanced with stacked stone trim. The eat-in kitchen features 42 upper Maple Wood Cabinetry with Corian Countertops, upgraded refrigerator and microwave, closet pantry, and breakfast bar. The bright and cheerful breakfast nook features direct access into the Florida room. The Spacious Great Room offers ceramic tile flooring set on a diagonal pattern and oversized triple glass sliding doors. The formal dining room offers a large window that illuminates the room with an abundance of natural lighting. The generously sized master bedroom suite features new wood laminate flooring with his and her walk-in closets. The master bathroom offers dual vanities, a luxurious garden tub and seated tiled shower. Other amenities include new wood laminate flooring in all bedrooms, 9 by 26 square feet Florida room with tinted windows, carbonized water filtration system, upgraded lighting, double paned windows, architectural shingle installed in 2019, freshly painted exterior west/decorative stone, new garage door opener, irrigation system west/irrigation meter, gutters, 2-car garage and paved driveway. The picturesque active adult community of Traditions offers many amenities such as a Lake Front Clubhouse, dock, and boat ramp, heated swimming pool, and spa, ballroom, billiards, meeting room, library, computer room, craft room, dog park, tennis courts, basketball court, bocce, shuffleboard, fitness center, aerobics studio, and much more. This wonderful property is sited on a large corner lot with no rear neighbors for privacy. Monthly fees include lawn service, cable, internet, exterior house painting every 5 years and clubhouse amenities. For more information, review the details.